Hello, Chef. Chef Mark speaking.
Hey, Chef Mark.
Oh, hey, Chad.
My fiance just bought a case of mangoes at the farmer's market and I have no idea how to cut them. Any tips?
Yeah, that's a great question. I'm glad you called. I got some tips and tricks. Okay, I happen to have a mango right here. Check it out. My mango is a little underripe, so I put it in a box or a bag with a banana. A banana secretes ethanol gas, which helps our fruit ripen more quickly. And I visualize where the seed is. The seed is the same shape as the outside fruit, so it tends to run kind of right directly in the middle. And I'm going to make 3 or 4 panel cuts here, just around. Panel cut, kind of visualizing where the seed is. I can go a little deeper. Make a couple panel cuts around, so the seed is just right in there. So a couple different ways I can get the mango off the skin. I can fillet the mango off, so I've got the skin side down, the flesh side up. The way I see a lot of times, and I like this too, is I score, but not so deep as to go all the way through the skin. Make a crosshatch pattern, like so. And then when I turn my mango inside out, the fruit's really easy to just eat right off the skin.
Hey, Chef Mark.
Oh, hey, Chad. Anytime, call with any questions.
Is it true that you're a messy cook?
No, I'm a clean cook. I'm super clean cook.